Charan Reddy sir and Mrs. Madhuri Reddy Pesaru and our beloved director Mrs. Sri Devi Alluri. Dear parents, friends, teachers and all the children present here. It is a beautiful day today with the sun shining warm, bright and making today just the right day for Cannes Olympiad. I am honored to be standing in front of you on this bright morning and I extend a very warm welcome to everyone present here. Here, as we come together to appreciate the wonders of the Olympic Games, today we have a special theme that focuses on teamwork, determination and sportsmanship. Are you all ready for a day full of fun and learning? Our children have put their hearts and souls into this event and their enthusiasm is boundless. So get ready to run, jump, aim and much more and embrace your inner athlete. Make the Kangaroo Kids Annual Sports Day a roaring success. Your cooperation is all we need to make this event a success. Please encourage and cheer all the participants with an enthusiastic applause. Let us now welcome a woman who does not need an introduction. Is our noble cause, Mrs. Alluri Sridevi. I would like to ask our principal to please come on stage and say a few words.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I'm honored to extend a warm welcome to the Chief Guest, Madhuri Reddy Garu, for this day, who have been graciously accepted our invitation. And we are here to celebrate our annual sports day. And we are very much spellbound by our achievements and contributions to the field of the sports. And a hearty welcome to the parents. We are so grateful to the teachers who have worked tirelessly to carry this. The non-teaching staff who are very much real heroes. Appreciation even, I think, definitely they are the real heroes. Please clap for them too, even for the teachers and the non-teaching staff. The participants and all the children have shown so much enthusiasm for this event this year. And it is your efforts and commitment that is evident in the march past, gymnastics, scarf dance and everything to begin with. I'm sure you all will do accordingly and we will do this event a very succeed event. And I remember that winning and losing is only a part of this game. So enjoy the game and encourage the little ones. Thank you.
Now I request Mrs. Madhuri Pesuru, the founder chairman of Meridian School Uppal, to say a few words.
Namaste everyone. Yad bhavot tad bhavati. This means you become what you believe. Your beliefs form the foundation for your value system. I believed in myself 30 years ago to stand here and then welcome you all. I'm pretty much interested in education. I'm educating the children in every way. Like, the holistic education is, I believe in, education is nothing but only books. You can say like physical education, then sports, and then art form, and then academics. When a child balances all three, then automatically they strive in their life. So dear parents, I don't want to take much time here because you're all waiting for your children to perform. Your time, dear parents, your time with your children is more valuable than any gift that you give it to them. I understand you may need to work hard to give the best life for your children. But if you really want to strive, your children thrive in their life, this time, the time that you spend with them is more important. Just give them a 2 hours in a day, because I have been noticing my parents here when I'm speaking to them. Everybody comes around like 8:39. Lot of parents. I'm not saying it like everybody, but lot of parents come home late where they don't have time to talk to their children what happened in their day, how they went, how the day went. So that is more important. That is what I just request all the parents, just give them like 2 hours in a day or at least some time. I mean, I just wanted to give you this. After coming back from US, I stayed 10 long years with my children, not doing anything. That is something that I felt like, I have to build my career for my children. That is something that every parent, I mean, I don't want everybody to, stop working and do, but just give them some time. That is more valuable gift that you can give it to your children. Thank you, Kangaroo Kids management and principal for giving me this opportunity. I hope all the children have, so much enthusiasm and then they'll rock the stage. Thank you very much.
And now it is the time for the moment you have all been waiting for. Let us begin the festivities with a unique twist. Our Olympic Nation Parade. Watch as our children march proudly onto the field, displaying the participating countries for the Olympics 2024. Our little Olympians have been preparing their flags and they are excited to show them off. Let's welcome our young athletes as they march around the field. Let us all join in a resounding round of applause as our chief guest, principal and Can the Kangaroo will unfurl our school banner to officially declare this event. It is time for the peaceful Olympic and pledge of sportsmanship. Our Kangaroo Kids children will now honor our country and the Olympic spirit by standing for the Olympic hum and pledge.
Vado fuori questo caos, mi manda in paranoia, stampo e faccio un get out. Se corri come me o corri con me, magari io e te lo sai. Potremmo star soli da me, magari stanotte buttarci in spiaggia con un narghile. Vieni con me, cerchiamo un altro club, solo io e te, dai. Oh, sai ci sono cose che non vanno dette, non vanno dette, no, ci sono cose che non vanno dette, non vanno dette, non vanno dette, no, ci sono cose che non vanno dette, non vanno dette, non vanno dette, dette, dette. Fammi ballare, ai casini ci pensiamo domani, porta l'estate, tuo profumo tra i capelli, baci quelli belli che sanno di ruba. paranoia, qui sono tutti wow. Balla come me o balla con me, magari e te lo sai. Potremmo scappare dal privé o tu farci in acqua rubato un cuvée. Vieni con me, lasciamo gli altri club, solo io e te, dai. Oh, sai ci sono cose che non vanno dette, non vanno dette, no, ci sono cose che non vanno dette, non vanno dette, non vanno dette, no, ci sono cose che non vanno dette, non vanno dette, non vanno dette, dette, dette. Fammi ballare, ai casini ci pensiamo domani, porta l'estate, profumo tra i capelli, baci quelli belli che sanno di rum, 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 i baci belli che sanno di rum, 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 rum. Fammi cantare, ai casini ci pensiamo domani, torna l'estate, e amici hawaiane, fuochi sul mare, i brividi sanno di rum, 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 i brividi sanno di rum, 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 i baci belli che sanno di rum.